What's the best antivirus for FireTV? FireTV is a streaming device that lets you watch your favorite shows and movies on your TV. However, like any device that connects to the internet, it can also be exposed to viruses and malware that can harm your device or compromise your privacy. Therefore, it's a good idea to install an antivirus app on your FireTV to protect it from cyber threats. One of the best antivirus options for FireTV is Malwarebytes. It's a great option if you're looking for protection from viruses and malware. It's also a good option if you're looking for privacy protection, as it blocks malicious websites and trackers. To install Malwarebytes on your FireTV, follow these steps. Launch the downloader app on your FireTV. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Amazon App Store. In the downloader app, enter this URL, https://bit.ly/2sdleva and click go. Wait for the download to finish and then click install. Once installed, open Malwarebytes and follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. Another great option is Norton Security. It's a well-known antivirus brand that offers comprehensive protection for your FireTV. It scans your device for viruses and malware, blocks malicious apps and websites, and protects your online identity and data. To install Norton Security on your FireTV, follow these steps. Launch the downloader app on your FireTV. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Amazon App Store. In the downloader app, enter this URL, https://bit.ly/3 New York 6W8E and click go. Wait for the download to finish and then click install. Once installed, open Norton Security and sign in with your Norton account or create one if you don't have one.